She has the murder stuff down, but the rest?
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Still a work in progress.
Do you know who I am?
The crossbow killer.
They call me.
The crossbow killer.
They call me.
The crossbow killer?
They call me. Huntress.
Now hand it over.
Yeah, not gonna happen.
Come again?
I said I can't.
One more time.
I can't give it to you.
Why not?
Because I ate it, okay? What are we even doing here?
There are two ways that diamond's coming out of you. This way, or this way. That's what I thought.
And he happens to be the only person who actually cares about me.
I do?
Yes, you do.
There she is. Harley Quinn.
Yeah,
I've waited a long time for this.
you have.
Oh, I haven't had breakfast yet.
What did I do to you?
Are you serious? Look at my face. Look at my face!
That wasn't me.
But you dared him to do it.
Yeah, but I dare a lot of people to do a lot of things, okay? Come on, I'm not even with him anymore.
I know. That means there's no one here to stop me.
All
You're
right.
gonna die, Quinn.
Oh, a penny.
Oh!
You're shooting arrows now? Like I'm doing right now.
You're here.
Oh, God, stop.
Because-
You're gonna do that thing where you open up a weird-ass case of torture devices while inexplicably detailing your master plan and how I don't fit into it.
I'm building a better...
Seriously, you don't have to, really. You're building a criminal empire because Daddy kicked you out of Janice Court.
And you think this is a big fuck you, but in actuality, it's a very misguided attempt to win back his respect.
I get it. You're really not as complicated as you think.
And you're really not as clever as you think, because now I'm gonna slice you.
Jesus Christmas. Now you're gonna say that you want to kill me to set an example. Christ, you're boring.
Right in the shit. You killed my sandwich! Bye-bye, Birdie.
But we are gonna need some serious hardware.
Will this do?
No. Not at all.
We're dead. We're fucking dead.
Slimy Chisnos! I can't believe he took it all!
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a crossbow. I'm not 12.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues!
You know, psychologically speaking, vengeance rarely brings the catharsis we hope for.
Yeah.
Are we ready? Bad guys, just outside.
So, what now?
Sionis is gone, but it's just a matter of time before some other asshole tries to finish what he started.
Right.
We gotta clean the city from the inside out.
Does she always talk like the cop in a bad 80s movie, or is that just
Fuck
me?
you and fuck you.